Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Cloud Learner Pro channel. In this channel today we are going to learn about RBAC, role-based access control. So what is RBAC and how we can use RBAC? Let's go into a deep dive. Let's take a simple example to understand how we can use RBAC. If I take example as subscription. For subscription, if I want to give access to any other user, I need to add a user to RBAC, which is IAM in the portal. So when we are adding a user to IAM, we will be assigning a role to a user. So when we are assigning a role, that means based on the role, a user is going to get access. To give a little more glimpse about RBAC, so RBAC is defined as role-based access control. Here we have different types of roles in RBAC, whereas we have reader, contributor, owner, and etc. etc. So depending on the role what we assign to a user, they are going to get access according to their role. So if you want to modify the access, like you want to change from owner to contributor, you can change that access type as well. Just what you need to do is you need to delete the user and you need to assign the user again with the different permissions. In the portal, let me show you how or where we can see the RBAC role. So go to the subscription blade. In the subscription blade, select your right subscription and go to IAM, which is access control. Here you can see or you can verify what is your level of access. So if you click on view my access, it will give you what role you are assigned with and what are the permissions you have. So I'm a user access administrator here. So I'm closing this and coming to role assignments, I can see the list of roles which are assigned here. So if you want to assign a user to your subscription, or if you want to give access to a user to your subscription, you simply click on add and click on add role assignment. In the add role assignments, you can select a role as per your requirement, like you can add a owner, contributor, reader, and many other roles we have. According to your requirement, we can select a role. For an example, I'll take reader as a role here, and I'll select my user as Cloud Learner 253 at outlook.com. Since I have already tested it, so this this was visible to me before searching only. Now I'm going to click on add. I'm going to click on save. Now the role assignment is adding a new user. Now the role assignment is added. I can able to see a new user added here as a reader role. So if I switch to the directory, or if I switch to the account of Cloud Learner, I will be able to see this directory and I'll be able to see this subscription. So after we adding a user to a subscription IAM, the user will be getting an email of invitation acceptance for a directory. Okay, so this is how the invitation will look like once you are invited to any Azure Cloud directory. So you'll be getting the invitation in this format. So once you click on accept, you will be able to access the directory and the subscriptions. So once you accept the directory invitation, you can able to log into your new account which you added here, and you can verify whether you are able to see the directory as well as the subscription. Let's do that. Let me switch to this Cloud Learner 253 account. So sign in with different account and here log in with Cloud Learner. Yep, I'm authenticated with the Cloud Learner 253 account. And in the Cloud Learner 253 account, I should be able to see the subscription as same as Cloud Learner 111. See here, I'm in the Azure. If I click on view my access, I will be able to see a reader role. Even I can see which roles are aligned here, or which role are assigned to different users as well. So this is a quick video about RBAC, how you can assign a role to a different user like reader, owner, contributor. You can add any role and you can assign a permissions to a particular user. To give you a little more knowledge about this RBAC roles, if you click on add role assignments, you will be able to see different roles under add role assignment. If you point the cursor at the information symbol, you will be able to see what exactly the owner role giving you the permission. So if you're pointing the cursor at owner role, it is giving you information which says grant full access to manage all resources, including the ability to assign roles in Azure RBAC, which means owner will have full control, including the ability to assign the roles in Azure RBAC. If I come to contributor, even contributor have a full access to manage all resources, but contributor role will not allow a user to assign roles to another users. So that's the major difference between owner and contributor, but owner also can manage all the resources, except that they will not be able to assign roles to others. If I come to reader, view all the resources, but doesn't allow you to make any changes. A reader can only read the resources, can only view the resources, but they will not be able to perform any action on any resources in Azure portal. So this is a quick overview about RBAC roles in Azure portal. Thanks much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're liking this video.